So here in WAKAS Organic Demonstration Farm, we are training farmers and others who are coming here who are very much interested in organic farming, that you don't need, you can see these ones, you don't actually need to have just a very big piece of land so that you may eat vegetables. Now these vegetables are just outside our home compound, and we are actually eating our vegetables here, which actually we know straight away they are organic, rather than even buying from elsewhere vegetables that you even don't know. You better plant just around your homestead, or even all around your living house. This is our main farm. You can see plantation of avocados. These are the ones that right now we are harvesting, and we are selling them to companies who export hash avocado, organic avocado. You can as well see here in our farm, we usually tell people, and we talk mostly on what we call biodiversity. When we are talking of biodiversity, you can see down here, this is cassava, that is sweet potato. You can see macadamia, you can as well see pomegranates. We have what we call purple and guavas and all these things. You can as well see some vegetables here. These are lentils. We are also planting them there. We have cassava. So this is what I mean by biodiversity. We plant each and everything in our own farm. And that is the best thing. And that is why we are telling people that organic is the way to go. What we are telling people, these maize that you can find here, they are almost now coming up so well, just because we planted them early enough, and we started irrigating. So when the rain came, it found our maize were about knee high, and that is why now, if you compare this plantation of maize here compared to our neighbors, theirs is quite small, but ours. So we urge farmers such that they need to have even if some water during the dry season. We plant early, we irrigate, and then when since now the rain is falling or is coming up in a short way, so that the rain comes and get our crops about God. When I was talking about herbs, this is what we call lemongrass. We needed to plant lemongrass all over anywhere that we can be able now to plant, so that it repels insects. So these ones I've planted them here, such that even if there are insects from my neighbor farm, these ones, the smell of our lemongrass will expel these insects. This is where we usually make our own pesticide, liquid fertilizer, as well as foliar. This is what we have made now. We are waiting for it now to be ready, so that we can get it now and do the work of spraying our avocado, spraying over our vegetables, and also making our fertilizer to various plants. Here we have where we have our fish pond. The waste of the fish pond is also foliar. We use it as foliar, liquid fertilizer, and as well as pesticide. So all those things that we need in our farm, we definitely get them here. So if you can see, I am also training farmers to have what we call herbs in their own farms. Herbs are very important because many of them, we use them to repel insects. You can see there is the oregano there. There is the thyme there. And also, we have what we call here as mint. We are also using mint to spray because of some insects. The smell itself and the smell of so many uh, herbs that we have planted here, they repel insects. These are our compost pits. This is where we put all the things that we are not in use, like weeds, the weeds that we get from our farm. We place them here and we make our compost. Around here, you can be able now to see. I said our farm is practicing what we call biodiversity. This is our soybeans. We plant everything. If you look at this place here, you'll find the what we call the cherry potatoes. I mean the cherry tomatoes, and still we are using the leaves of the cherry potatoes to be also pesticide. We ponder them, and then okay, we also put water in it, and then we spray. So we are also saying that there is no way we can be organic farmers if actually we are spraying bees uh, so that they may die. When we are talking of bees, there is no way we can be farmers without bees, because we know a very big percentage of pollination is done by bees. So we also emphasize, and also we also tell farmers, whenever somebody has a space and he is able to keep one or two hives, it is important. And remember, the hive, the bees will provide us with honey, will provide us with so many products. There are 6 of them, and it is important. So farmers, I also urge them that they may also do what is known as beekeeping.